journey again. Next stop is Tamram railway station. Paddy fields. The fields are having water. That means there might have been rainfall yesterday or today night, because fields are having water, plenty of water. Yes, water is there. Neem tree, plenty of neem trees are there. Neem tree is a medicinal tree, medicinal plant. It is very useful for the medicine made of neem is used for skin diseases and various other diseases are cured by the medicines made of neem. The train has again stopped. This is the problem.